morning children, welcome to class 1 computer. Children, in class 1 computer we were doing chapter 2 book exercise. Children, chapter 2 book exercise we have done question number A, B and C. Now we will revise A, B, C and then we will do question number D. So as we have done question number A, we will revise it orally. Okay. Now question number A is, pick the correct answer. 1. A monitor looks like a dash screen. Children, exercises chapter 2 and exercises. First one is A. Pick the correct answer. Pick the correct answer. In this question number 1 we have, children, we have a monitor looks like a dash screen. As we have studied in the chapter, monitor looks like a TV screen. Monitor looks like a TV screen. So you will write here. Here we have option also. Option C is TV. So here you will write, put a tick in front of TV. Question number A. Pick the correct answer. 1. Option C, TV. You will take in TV. Now, second one. Second we have, the buttons on a keyboard are known as, children, as we have studied in the chapter, there are small buttons on the keyboard. These buttons are called keys. We have already studied in the chapter. There are various small buttons on the keyboard. These buttons are called keys. So here we have option A. Option A, keys. In front of keys, you will put a tick. In front of option A, keys, you will put a tick. Now, question number 3. 3 we have, a computer mouse has dash buttons. A computer mouse has dash buttons. Children, as we have studied in the chapter, there are two buttons. One on the left hand side and the other on the right hand side. And between these two buttons, there is a scroll button. That button will not be counted because it is a scroll button. Other than scroll button, we have two buttons. So we will write here option number B, that is 2. TWO 2. You will tick here on 2. So children, this is our question number A. Tick the correct answer. Tick. You will put a tick like this. The correct answer. Question number 1 is, a monitor looks like a dash screen. A monitor looks like a TV screen. Monitor कैसा दिखाई देता है? TV screen की तरह. तो हम यहाँ पे हमारे पास ऑप्शन है 4. 1 is CPU, second is B is paint and C is TV. So you will put in the box in front of TV and in the blank also you will write TV. So you will put tick here in option C, that is TV. Now second one is, the buttons on the keyboards are known as keys. There are various buttons on the keyboard. These buttons are called keys. So you will put a tick here. Now, third one. A computer mouse has 2 buttons. बच्चों, जैसा कि हमने चैप्टर में पढ़ा है, जो माउस होता है उसमें 3 बटन्स होते हैं. 2 बटन्स तो नॉर्मल होते हैं, एक लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में, एक राइट हैंड साइड में, उसके बीच में एक स्क्रॉल बटन. तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ बटन पूछा हुआ है, तो हम लेफ्ट साइड और राइट वाले साइड वाले को काउंट करेंगे और यहाँ पे लिखेंगे 2. वी विल टेक पुट अ टिक इन फ्रंट ऑफ 2. स्क्रॉल बटन थर्ड बटन होता है जो कि थोड़ा अलग तरह का होता है, इसलिए हम उसको यहाँ पे काउंट नहीं करेंगे. हम सिर्फ काउंट करेंगे लेफ्ट एंड राइट बटन, दैट इज 2 buttons. सो यू विल टेक हियर 2. नाउ दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर A. नाउ कमिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर B. Question number B, we have true and false. Children, as we have discussed, you will write capital T for true. मतलब if your answer is right, you will write T, and if your answer is wrong, you will write false. F for false and T for true. Capital T for true and capital F for false. So children, write T for true and F for false statement. First statement is a monitor is the brain of computer. Children, is a monitor brain of computer? आपने चैप्टर में क्या पढ़ा है? CPU is the brain of computer, not the monitor. Monitor brain नहीं होता कंप्यूटर का, क्या होता है? CPU होता है. इसलिए ये स्टेटमेंट रॉन्ग है. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग. दैट इज व्हाई यू विल राइट हियर बी. ट्रू वर्सेस फॉल्स. इसमें फर्स्ट वन इज फॉल्स, क्योंकि ब्रेन ऑफ कंप्यूटर सीपीयू होता है ना कि मॉनिटर होता है. इसमें दिया हुआ है मॉनिटर इज द ब्रेन ऑफ कंप्यूटर. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग. यू विल पुट राइट F for false for first statement. Now second statement, a monitor is used to see cartoon. आप मॉनिटर को कैसे यूज करते हो? एज अ टीवी स्क्रीन, तो आप उस पर कार्टून्स भी देख सकते हो. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज राइट. यू विल राइट कैपिटल T फॉर ट्रू. आप कैपिटल T ट्रू के लिए, क्योंकि स्टेटमेंट सेकंड वाला ट्रू है, यू विल राइट कैपिटल T फॉर ट्रू. नाउ थर्ड वन, a keyboard has small buttons called keys. जो कीबोर्ड होता है इसमें छोटे छोटे बटन्स होते हैं, as we discussed above in the above question number A, कि a keyboard has small buttons called keys. So this statement is also true. You will write here T for true. Now fourth one. Fourth one we have CPU looks like a TV. Does CPU look like a TV? क्या CPU TV की तरह दिखाई देता है? No. So this statement is wrong. CPU looks like TV. CPU की जगह क्या होना चाहिए था? मॉनिटर. तो इट इज अ रॉन्ग आंसर. सो यू विल राइट फॉल्स. CPU TV की तरह नहीं दिखता है. CPU doesn't look like TV. So it is wrong. So you will write false. Fifth one, children. A mouse is used to move the mouse pointer on the screen. A mouse is used to make the mouse pointer on the screen. A mouse is used to make the mouse pointer on the screen. जो माउस होता है हमें माउस पॉइंटर को स्क्रीन पे दिखाने के लिए, शो करने के लिए, पॉइंट करने के लिए यूज किया जाता है. तो यहाँ पे दिस इज ऑल्सो ट्रू. ये भी सही है. सो चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज ऑल विद क्वेश्चन नंबर बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर बी. A CPU is the brain of a computer. False. A monitor is used to see cartoon. True. A keyboard has small buttons called keys. This is true. Then 4. CPU looks like a TV. This is false. 5. A mouse is used to move the mouse pointer on the screen. This is also true. So we have written here true. So this is all with question number A and B. Question number A, we have C, TV, right? We have keys, right? Then we have 2, right? And here we have first one false, second one true, third one true, fourth one false, and fifth one true. Now coming to next question, children. Next question we have question number C. In question number C, who am I? Who am I? This is question. Who am I? So children, I have many buttons on me which are used to type numbers and words. I have many buttons on me which are used to type numbers or words. Who am I? First one, the answer is यहाँ पे 1, 2, 3. We have 1. Y is given. Then we have now A is given and here B is given. And I have many buttons on me which are used to type numbers and words. मेरे ऊपर बहुत सारे बटन्स होते हैं और उन बटन्स को भी यूज टू टाइप वर्ड्स एंड नंबर्स. हु एम आई? मैं कौन हूँ? कैन यू टेल मी? कैन यू गेस चिल्ड्रन? यस, इट इज कीबोर्ड. So you will write here K E Y E B O A R D, keyboard. It is keyboard. Keyboard is something on which we have many small buttons. These buttons are called keys, and these keys are used for typing numbers and alphabets or words. So this is keyboard. Now second one. Second one we have, I help you to draw lines, sketches and to play games. I help you to draw lines, sketches and play games. हम माउस से हम किससे लाइंस बनाते हैं या फिर स्केचेस बनाते हैं, ड्राइंग्स बनाते हैं या फिर गेम्स खेलते हैं. That is, just guess children what it is. It is this is nothing but O E. Can you guess what it is? It is a M O U S E, mouse. It is nothing but mouse. So I am something which helps you in playing games, in drawing and in making lines. लाइन ड्रॉ करने के लिए, स्केचेस बनाने के लिए और गेम खेलने में हेल्प करता हूँ. तो I am MOUSE, mouse. Now third one is I am like a TV screen. Children, I am like a TV screen. Who am I? TV screen की तरह क्या होता है? Now find out. Here N So the words given are M, I. What it is? I am like TV screen. What is like TV screen? Monitor. So you will write here M O N I T O R. Monitor. Monitor is like TV screen. So your answer is monitor. Now fourth one. I am the brain of a computer. Children, what is said to be brain of computer? Brain of computer means CPU. Brain of computer means CPU. This is brain of computer. So, who am I? Question number C. Who am I? 1. I have many buttons on me which are used to type numbers and words. That is keyboard. We can type numbers, words or signs or symbols from the keyboard. So we have many buttons. These buttons are called keys. बहुत सारे buttons हैं and these buttons are called keys, and these keys are used for typing numbers, letters or any sign or symbol. So this is nothing but keyboard. So you have written here KEYBOARD, board. Now second one is I help you to draw lines, sketches and to play games. मैं हूँ जो तुम्हारी कैसे हेल्प करता हूँ? For drawing lines, for drawing sketches और for playing games. तो who am I? I am a mouse. MOUSE, mouse. Now next one is I look like a TV screen. TV screen की तरह क्या होता है? That is monitor. MONITOR, monitor. I look like a TV screen. That means I am a monitor. I am the brain of the computer. We very well know what is brain of computer. By now children, you have understood. You must have understood what is brain of computer. CPU is said to be brain of computer. So CPU is the brain of computer. So this is all which we have studied in our previous video. Now we are going to do question number D. Question number D. Children, in this we have many साइन एंड सिंबल. यहाँ पे हमारे पास बहुत सारे साइन और सिंबल हैं. जैसे कि वी हैव अ बॉक्स. यहाँ पे हमारे पास एक बॉक्स है. ठीक है. अब बॉक्स में कितने 1 2 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Now, so here we have one line, which we take line. Now, first letter is O. M. This is M. Then we have I. Then we have I. Then we have N. Then we have E. Then we have A, R, T, C, U, S, B, D, P, K, Y. So these are the letters which are given in the table. Okay. Now above these we have sign and symbol. Here we have emoji. First we have emoji. Then we have something like this. इसके बाद हमारे पास कुछ इस तरह का है जिसमें डॉट्स बने हुए हैं. ठीक है. M. यहाँ पे डॉट्स बने हुए हैं. Then we have a drop. A drop. Then we have ऐसे. कुछ ऐसा बना हुआ है. ठीक है. फिर हमारे पास है स्टार. कुछ स्टार सा बना हुआ है. ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद हमारे पास है this is another sign. Then we have यहाँ पे भी हमारे पास कुछ ऐसा ही साइन है. कुछ ऐसा. ठीक है. कुछ ऐसा साइन है. फिर उसके बाद हमारे पास है टी के लिए ऐसा है. फिर उसके बाद ऐसा है. देन वी हैव एक ऐसा साइन है. फिर उसके बाद हमारे पास एस. ये यू के लिए. और फिर ऐसे ऐसे ऐसे. ये एस के लिए है. ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद एरो, डबल साइडेड एरो है. ऐसा है. फिर है फिर है एक गोल जिसमें सर्कल है. Then we have a box. Then we have aeroplane. This is for aeroplane. All these are symbols, children. Now we are going to find different words with the shape given below. The question is match the symbol. These are symbols. Symbol to find the part of computer. Parts of computer. So children, here some parts of computer are given and you are going to find the letters from here given with the symbol. another box. अब इस बॉक्स में भी हमारे पास दो चीजें हैं. Now, first sign is ठीक है, this, and here letter is also given M. This sign stands for M. So M यहाँ दिया है along with the shape. Now यहाँ पे बना है emoji. Now then we have a this. Then we have a star. Here we have a star, and here we have this, and here we have this. So children, where is this symbol? This symbol is here. अब इस सिंबल के नीचे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल फाइंड द सिंबल. हम इन सिंबल्स को जो यहाँ दिया है यहाँ बॉक्स में ढूंढेंगे. सबसे पहला इमोजी तुम्हारे यहाँ, इमोजी के नीचे क्या लिखा हुआ है? O. What is written below emoji? You will write here O. Then this symbol, find out this symbol. This symbol is here. So below this symbol, here below this symbol we have U. We have U. So you will write here U. Then below this symbol we have S. So you will write here S. And where is star? Star is here, and below star we have E. So what do we get? Which part of the computer we get? Mouse. The part of computer which we get here is mouse. हमें यहाँ पे क्या मिला? Mouse. N, ये N के लिए ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ था. O यहाँ पे है, O के ऊपर ये वाला सिंबल है. ठीक है, तो इसके नीचे O है, हमने यहाँ पे O लिखा. फिर ये वाला सिंबल कहाँ है? ये वाला सिंबल यहाँ है. इसके नीचे below this we have U. So we will write here U. Then we have this symbol. For this we have S. यहाँ पे S लिखा हुआ है, तो we will write here S. Similarly, where do we have star? We have star here. Below star we have E. So you will write here E. The word which we get is mouse. And this mouse is one of the part of computer. ये computer के part में से एक है. Now, question number 2. 2 में हमारे पास क्या है? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now here we have first symbol we have is a box. A box. Then we have a star. We have a star. After star we have aeroplane. We have aeroplane. ठीक है? This is aeroplane. Then we have aeroplane. Now, after aeroplane we have this sun. This sun. Then we have a circle emoji. Then we have this, and then we have this, and then we have this sun. Now, children, find out these symbols in the above box. So, where do we have this box? Below this box we have K. First one is this square box. Below square box we have K. So, you will write here K. Then we have nothing is written. Okay, then we have star. Where is star? This is star. What is written below star? Star के नीचे क्या लिखा हुआ है? E लिखा हुआ है. तो हम इस E को इस स्टार के नीचे लिखेंगे. फिर हमारे पास है एरोप्लेन. Now search for the aeroplane. Here is the aeroplane. So for this you will write 1. This one. Then we have this double-sided arrow. This is B. And then we have emoji. For emoji you will write O. And for this symbol you will write, इसके लिए है, ये कहाँ है? A. इसके नीचे A है, you will write A here. And then we have this one, this is here. Below this we have R. So you will write here R. Now here this, below this we have D. So you will write here D. What is the word here? Keyboard. K-E-Y, key, B-O-A-R-D, board. You are going to search for the symbols. Whichever letter is written below the symbol, that letter will come here. ठीक है, हम सिंबल को उसमें से ढूंढेंगे और उस सिंबल के नीचे जो भी लेटर लिखा हो उसको लाके हम यहाँ लिखेंगे. So this is another part of the computer. This is called keyboard. This is called keyboard. Now next one is monitor. Similar children will do for monitor. हमारे पास मॉनिटर के लिए भी एक बॉक्स है. इस बॉक्स के नीचे हम क्या करेंगे? इस तरह का कुछ बनाएंगे और यहाँ पे मॉनिटर के लिए 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have here, first symbol we have is this is nothing but this is a symbol. Then we have this. Then we have this. Then we have drop. Then we have this. Then we once again have this. And then we have this. So children, find out this symbol. You can find here, that is N. So you will write here N. Then once again this is here and below this O is written. So you will write here O. Then this one is where? Is N. N you will write here. Then drop. Drop is here. So you will write here I. Then this one is here. You will write T. Again emoji. You will write O. Emoji के नीचे we have O. And here we have R. So you will write here R. क्योंकि ये R के नीचे है. तो हमारे बन गया another part of computer, that is monitor. Match the symbol to find the parts of computer. So we have taken the letters from here. The letter which is written below the sign, we will find here these letters. From there we will find the letter and write here and complete the part of computer. यहाँ पे हर एक में सिंबल दिया हुआ है. इन सिंबल को हम पहले यहाँ ढूंढेंगे और उन सिंबल के नीचे जो लेटर्स दिए गए वहाँ से लेकर के हम यहाँ लिखेंगे. And we are able to do this. This is M-O-U-S-E mouse, K-E-Y key, B-O-A-R-D board, and M-O-N-I money, T-O-R monitor. So children, this is question number D, and we have completed this. With this we come to the end of the video, children, and you will practice the exercise and try to complete in your book. याद करेंगे. फिर जब भी हम ऑनलाइन क्लास में मिलेंगे, I'll be asking you the spellings of these parts of computer. Till then, thank you.